So here I am at Best Buy. I'm about to buy a Phantom 4 Professional. Let's see how this goes. Huh? Let's see if I can walk in and walk out with a drone. Yep, there she is, in and out of Best Buy. Phantom 4 Pro. So as you can see here, I got the Phantom 3 Professional, Phantom 4 Professional. This is my first drone. And like I said, I just went out today and bought the Phantom 4 Professional. This is supposed to be a great drone. So let's unbox this thing, huh? So as you can literally see, I just unboxed it. I just took the case. I guess this drone is nice because it comes with its own carrying case. So all I did, I cut the tape and unboxed it, and I pulled this out. I mean, we've all seen hundreds of unboxing videos online. So I mean, this isn't going to be much different. As you can see, there's a little lock right there. I think you turn it left, or is it? No, I turn it right. Here we go. Pretty. Yeah, like I said, I could take all this stuff, you know. I'm not going to review this stuff one by one. I mean, you guys have probably seen plenty of unboxing videos, but this is very, very beautiful. Very sophisticated technology right here. It's incredible.